Nicole Borek. Nicole is the daughter of Mike and Tina Borek. She is a drum major of the marching band, is in student council and Teens Against Tobacco Use. Nicole is the president of the National Honor Society and will be on the soccer team this spring. She currently plays soccer for Michigan Rush and plans to attend Youngstown State on a soccer scholarship after high school to study physical therapy. Mike is the son of Mike and Jackie Smith. He has been on the varsity football team since he was a freshman and has been the captain for 2 years. The past 2 years he's also participated on the powerlifting team. Outside of school, he currently coaches a team on the Junior Rams and loves to go out to eat with friends to talk about sports. Mike has a plan to go on to Division I college to play football and major in mechanical engineering and minor in business management. Mike would like to thank his parents and sister for all their support and everything they do for him. He would also like to thank God for this opportunity, his family, and his friends. And that is your homecoming